Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to HONOR X7A. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Following that, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you wish to. Then, to close it, click on OK. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and receive next to Send at the bottom of HONOR. Also on HONOR, you need to scroll down to pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Motorola smartphone. Finally, select all of those categories at the top. To pick multiple files from your category, click on this dot at the top left corner. You can also just tap on the chosen ones instead. When you finished, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to input this key over here, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then connect using Receive button. If you want to scan this QR code instead, tap on this scanning icon above User Guide. Choose while using or only this time in the pop-up to allow camera access. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!